Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, that is, the sound speaker in the Google Pixel 8 phone. So all we need is a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft, or if not, for harder ones we need isopropyl alcohol as pure as possible, so it will soften the dirt most effectively, and then it will evaporate, leaving no traces behind. If you use another type of alcohol that isn't completely pure, then after it evaporates, it will leave marks showing that the alcohol was there, and it will simply clog up those openings again. You can buy both the brush and the alcohol, as well as a small container for the alcohol diffuser, in a set on Allegro or Amazon. If you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush with soft or medium bristles, because if you use one with hard bristles, it will simply scratch your phone. So the first thing we do is turn off the phone. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. Once the device is completely turned off, you should thoroughly soak the bristles of your brush with a generous amount of isopropyl alcohol so that it is very wet. Carefully take the brush in your hand and begin to clean the buzzer area. The buzzer is located right here, specifically this small opening on this side of the unit. So we will simply clean this opening with a very steady and consistent motion. Perform about 10 or 15 strokes in one single direction. And then after that we will change the direction to ensure it is fully cleaned. Now do it in the other direction. Once again, repeat this about 10 or 15 times. It's best to repeat this 2 or 3 times in each direction, so that the opening is perfectly cleaned. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol completely evaporate from the opening, and then you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.